Hi friends, welcome to Caltex Academy. Today we are looking at question 2 of this series of question rule. If you have not watched question number 1, please go ahead and watch before you continue with this video. So without wasting time, let's dive into the video, and we have y equals tan x. Now we know very well that tan x can be written in terms of sine and cosine. So y is equals to sine x over cos x. Now our numerator is going to be u, and that is sine x. Then the denominator, we assign it to be v, and that is cos x. So let's differentiate du by dx, and we know the derivative of sine x is cos x. We do the same, dv by dx, and the derivative of cos x is negative sine x. So we combine them together using quotient rule, where dy by dx minus u dv by dx, and everything is divided by v square. So we can go ahead and make substitution to our formula, and dy by dx equals to v, where v is cos x, and I'm multiplying it by du by dx. So du by dx is also cos x, so minus u, and our u is sine x, so we're multiplying it by dv by dx, and dv by dx is negative sine x. Now we can go ahead and divide this numerator by the denominator, and our denominator is v square, where v is cos x. So we shall have here cos x is square. So let's move on to simplify this expression, where our dy by dx is given by, now cos x times cos x, we get cos x or cos square x, and then sine x times negative sine x, we get negative sine square x. Then times this negative, we get positive sine square x, and this is over the denominator, whereby our denominator is cos x square, that is cos square x, and we know from the identity cos square x plus sine square x is equals to 1, meaning our numerator will simply vanish into 1. So we can divide it by cos square x, and we also know that if you divide 1 by cos square x, we get secant square x, and that is the derivative of this question here. And again, somebody can take a different approach after reaching to this point, of our work, where we can distribute the denominator to the first term here and then the same denominator to the second term. So I can say, or another approach here would be at this point dy by dx would be equivalent to cos square x divided by cos square x, and then plus, now the denominator here is sine square x over also cos square x, and then dy by dx is equals to, we know cos square x plus cos square x goes to 1, then we have plus, now sine square x divided by cos square x is equals to tan square x. So we know from also another identity that 1 plus tan square x equals to secant square x. So we are dy by dx equals to secant square x, just like what we got here. So meaning after reaching here, you have two ways: either we use this approach or we use the next approach. Please, if you have got some value in this video, support me by subscribing to the channel, like this video to push to many people, and then share with friends. And with all this, stay tuned to the next part of the series, and that is question number 3.